Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. Samsung did a fantastic job with the One UI 3.1 update based on Android 11 to most phones in its portfolio, and with Android 12, it is aiming to outdo itself. Samsung's Android 12 update is One UI 4, and it comes with a slate of new features and a UI refresh. While the design itself isn't too different to the current One UI 3.1, there's a lot to be excited about. Samsung is using a version of the colorful Material U design aesthetic called Dynamic Color to offer much better customization, and there are 60 new features in total. The best part is that the One Ui4 Stable update is now rolling out, with Samsung delivering the update just a month after Google released the Pixel 6 series. The One Ui4 Stable build is now available for the Galaxy S21 series in select countries, so let's find out what Samsung has to offer with Android 12. What phones will get the update, and a look at the new features. Pac-Man OnePlus Nord 2 hands-on. OnePlus new limited edition Nord 2 comes with a glow-in-the-dark back, 8-bit inspired themes, and a unique stand in the box. Check out our first look at the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man limited edition. 0 seconds of 55 seconds, volume 0%. VPN deals, lifetime license for $16, monthly plans at $1. Sponsored links. The ingredients of innovation. CNN with Citiva. This is the one. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Still the flagship to beat. The Galaxy S21 Ultra combines the latest display and hardware innovations to deliver a flagship that truly stands out from its rivals. You get a sublime 120Hz AMOLED screen backed by the latest internal hardware, incredible cameras, all-day battery with fast charging, and software that's highly customizable. If you want to be the first to try out One UI 4, you'll need to switch to the S21 Ultra right now. Samsung has kicked off the One UI 4 Stable build. On September 14, Samsung announced the first One UI 4 public beta for the Galaxy S21 series. Like previous years, the beta was limited to the latest Galaxy S flagship, giving owners of the Galaxy S21, S21, or S21 Ultra an early look at the changes. Samsung rolled out the second Android 12 beta on October 5, bringing Google's Material U's color extractor feature and bug fixes. The third and fourth betas were made available in subsequent weeks with bug fixes. After 2 months of testing, Samsung started rolling out the stable One UI 4 build from November 15. The Galaxy S21, S21, and S21 Ultra are now receiving the stable version of Android 12 in select markets, and the build will make its way to all devices globally over the coming days. Samsung makes the best Android phones you can buy today, and the fact that it rolled out the Android 12 stable build just a month after Google shows just how much the Korean manufacturer has changed in this particular area over the last 3 years. With the Galaxy S21 series already receiving the update, the focus has shifted to other devices in Samsung's portfolio. Most of these phones will start shifting to One UI 4 over the coming weeks and months. These Samsung phones will be updated to One UI 4. Source: Apoorva Bhardwaj, Android Central. Samsung is the brand to beat when it comes to long-term updates, and with the manufacturer offering 3 Android updates to its flagships and mid-range phones, the Galaxy S10 series from 2019 is slated to get the Android 12-based One UI 4 stable build. Samsung will deliver the Android 12-based One UI 4 update to all of its 2020 and 2021 phones, and there are a lot of phones on that list. Here's the full list of Galaxy phones and tablets that are eligible for the One UI 4 update. Galaxy S series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy Note series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy Z series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy A series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy Tab series tablets getting One UI 4. Galaxy M series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy F series phones getting One UI 4. Galaxy X Cover series getting One UI 4. Here's when your Galaxy phone will get the One UI 4 update. Samsung has shared the official Android 12 rollout schedule for its Galaxy devices in the US, and the list is a great indicator as to when other devices in the manufacturer's portfolio will make the switch to the Android 12-based One UI 4. One point to note here is that the update timelines vary by region, and in countries like India, where Samsung sells a lot of budget phones, you're looking at a lengthy wait for the One UI 4 update. This list is just for the US market, and it'll add more details once we have a clearer idea about the update situation in other markets. That said, here's the update schedule for the US. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. One UI 4 is getting a lot of new features. Source: Daniel Better, Android Central. With One UI 4.0, Samsung is introducing a host of new features and updating the interface. While One UI 3.1 featured a few refinements over One UI 2.0, the interface was left largely unchanged, so we are due for an update in this area. The first beta doesn't have too many changes in terms of design, but according to Leaker Chun VN8888, Samsung will unveil an updated color palette and new icons, and use Android 12's Material U design aesthetic. Samsung took the best bits of Android 12 from Google and added its own flavor. We're seeing that with the second beta release. One Ui4 Beta 2 includes the Material U color picker that lets you pick system colors based on your phone's background. It is a really cool addition, and while the effect isn't as extreme as what you'll find on Google's own devices, it is still an interesting new feature that will get a lot of usage. There are exciting changes elsewhere. The brightness slider on the notification pane is larger than before, making it easier to use. It is thankfully not as oversized as the one on the Pixels, with Samsung maintaining the right balance. One Ui4 also enables eSIM for Galaxy S21 models in the US. In terms of privacy and security, One Ui4 gets a nifty permission usage history that lets you see what permissions have been accessed. The location permissions window has a new interface that's similar to what you'll find on Android 12, and like the Pixels, you get the ability to turn off camera or mic access system-wide with a single toggle. And Samsung also added a green recording indicator whenever your camera is in use, ensuring no errant service in the background enables access without you knowing about it. As for interface changes, One Ui4 has a new widget picker cleaner designed for toast notifications, and a new interface for disabling notifications directly from the pane. And a useful accessibility feature is the ability to set custom colors for each individual app's notifications. You can set an AR emoji as your profile photo for your Samsung account. The camera is also getting an overhaul with One Ui4, with Samsung offering a cleaner design video recording that starts the moment you press the record button, tweaks to the single-take feature in Pro mode, and zoom levels on the lens icons. Samsung confirmed a few weeks ago that it will be getting rid of ads within One UI, and it is starting to do that right now. Another major feature in One Ui4 has to do with under-the-hood tweaks, with Samsung optimizing the UI to take full advantage of high-end hardware like the Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100. Samsung has done much better in this regard in the last 2 years, but its flagships and most of its mid-range devices now offering 120Hz panels, any UI optimizations will make a noticeable difference. Here's the full changelog for One Ui4. Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. With so many new features and under-the-hood changes, One Ui4 brings the best of Android 12 to Samsung's phones and tablets. The full changelog gives us a detailed look at everything Samsung changed with the update, and from the introduction, it's clear that privacy and customizability have been a key consideration for Samsung this year. One Ui4 is all about you, your comfort, your privacy, your self-expression. Redesigned for a seamless experience across your Galaxy devices, One Ui4 keeps the things you love while adding a wide array of new features and enhancements and more customizations than ever, so you can make it your own. More intuitive, more fun, more secure, and easier than ever. Here's the entire changelog for the One Ui4 update, including a list of all the new features. This is the one. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Still the flagship to beat. The Galaxy S21 Ultra combines the latest display and hardware innovations to deliver a flagship that truly stands out from its rivals. You get a sublime 120Hz AMOLED screen backed by the latest internal hardware, incredible cameras, all-day battery with fast charging, and software that's highly customizable. If you want to be the first to try out One Ui4, you'll need to switch to the S21 Ultra right now. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Next up, One Ui4 Android 12 beta reaches Galaxy S20, Note 20 devices in the US. Samsung's One Ui4 beta based on Android 12 is rolling out to the Galaxy S20 and Note 20 in the United States, as the stable version is prepped for a January release on these devices. Ready for 180Hz gaming. MediaTek calls out Qualcomm with new Dimensity 9000 flagship chipset. On Thursday, MediaTek announced its new 2022 flagship chipset, the Dimensity 9000. It will enable some cutting-edge new features, including ray tracing, 320MP cameras, and 180Hz refresh rates. Greatness awaits. PS5 review. Untapped potential with a revolutionary controller. Sony's PS5 is leaps and bounds ahead of its predecessors, as it should be. With a blazing fast SSD, a great launch lineup of games, and a sleek UI, its clear future is here. Getting the best case. The Galaxy S20 FE is the best phone, so it deserves the best case. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S20 FE, and the device is sure to turn plenty of heads. With stiff competition in the mid-range market, it's clear that Samsung wants to compete, and the S20 FE is fantastic. If you're picking one of these awesome new devices up, make sure you pair it with a case to keep it looking